Hey guys, so the other day while I was at my grandma's, I made a video where I was listening to the different cicadas and birds I could hear in her area, and Vinyl Nerd reacted to it. Well, it looks like Vinyl Nerd uploaded one of his own, so I figured I might as well react to his as well. So I am going to say, after this reaction video, this is probably going to be the last reaction video for a while, because I have got to get this storage situation sorted out on my phone. It's not something I really want to do, but it's kind of something I have to do, if that makes sense, because just the storage has just gotten a lot worse on my phone, and it's getting even harder it's getting even harder for me to free up storage on my phone. I don't know really what's wrong with it, but hopefully I'll have it all figured out. So, here we go.
Hey guys. So lately I've been, of course a car came by, as I was saying. Lately I've been doing these videos where I'm going out at night and looking around for crickets and katydids and frogs. But it's been a while since I've last done a video where I'm out during the day and looking around for stuff, just birds and cicadas and all that
been a while.
stuff. So I thought I might as well do one of these videos again.
I actually think I might do one at outside at my house, since I did one at my grandma's.
Since it's been a while.
I hear a bird right now. What is it? Hang on.
I'm already hearing a
I heard an eastern towhee.
There's a bunch of house finches. I'm hearing those.
Yeah, I heard those.
But also I'm hearing I think a swamp cicada.
Oh, really?
It's out in the distance though, so I can't hear it well.
Yeah, I can kind of hear it.
There's
I hear
a
a Robinson cicada.
A white-breasted nuthatch.
Oh, yep, I see them. I haven't been seeing those at all lately for some reason. I don't know what happened to them. We used to have them a lot.
And I'm hearing an eastern towhee, which is nice. I don't hear those every day. Don't get them too often anymore. And is that an eastern phoebe?
I think I hear spring trigs in the background too.
Why is it?
Which I think you hear those more in the day than you do at night.
Yeah, right over there.
Oh, yep, I see it.
Wait, is that a phoebe? Something looks different about the body shape and the way the beak is shaped.
It looks like a phoebe. Or is it a peewee? I don't know. It kind of looks like the picture of the eastern wood peewee on the Merlin.
I thought at first it was a phoebe, but now I'm starting to second guess that.
Maybe they look similar.
Because usually we get the eastern phoebes around here, but... Wait, no, that almost looks more like an easternwood peewee.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Wow. I mean, I've seen them before, but it's very rare I see them.
There's the eastern towhee.
It is very rare for me to see these. I'm sure you can hear the Robinson cicadas.
Oh yes, I can hear those. I haven't heard a single one this year yet, for some reason.
Okay, yeah, that's not a phoebe.
It's not? Oh. I thought you said it wasn't a peewee. I was like, what? So I guess it is I guess I got it right.
And of course the camera wants to focus on the leaves.
I hear a siren. I think I might have just heard a swamp cicada faintly.
Oh, there it goes. That eastern towhee is really singing its heart out right now.
Yeah, I'm hearing it.
It's not often I see or hear them anymore. I used to get them here all the time, but now
I don't
now they're
understand
just
why.
more here and there.
I don't understand why birds leave certain areas sometimes. Especially when they're all over the place. The Robinson cicadas seem to be all around.
I'm also hearing what I think are sage trigs.
Oh, sage trigs? Yeah, I guess we are getting to the time of year where the spring trigs start to die off, maybe.
There's a Robinson cicada up in this tree over here, and then
Yeah,
over in one of these trees there's one. It's somewhere over here, I think, that I'm hearing the sage trigs. That was a swamp cicada that I just heard. I'm sure you heard it too.
Hang on, let me go back.
That was a swamp cicada.
Oh yeah, I heard it.
That was a swamp cicada that I just heard. I'm sure you heard it too.
There's another one. Or is it the same one?
And there's a dragonfly right there. I think an ebony jewelwing is what these are called. Oh, there it goes. It's right there. Why is my stupid camera wanted to go the opposite direction?
Yeah, but I see it.
For some reason. And of course as I zoom in, it focuses more on the leaves.
Oh, I hate that. I hate when that happens.
There it is. I think this is the first video where I actually capture a swamp cicada calling.
Yeah, I actually think it is too.
Because I usually only hear them when I'm not recording.
I hear it now.
There it went again. And of course there's mosquitoes.
Oh, of course, mosquitoes. Why wouldn't there be?
I think over here on the other side of the creek is where it sounds like the cicadas over there.
Yeah, I can actually hear them.
That's where it sounds like the sound is coming from. I didn't get it on video, but I did find a couple of cicadas yesterday.
Yeah.
There were two of them over here.
I saw the pictures you put up of them.
I think it was right on this leaf I found one.
There's one real close,
and then there was another one
like.
somewhere over here. I think right here is where I found the other one.
Another swamp cicada.
I don't know if you can hear the one that's singing right now.
Yeah, I can.
There's a grackle I just heard. Sounded like there might have actually been two of them.
Now let me go back.
There's a
I
grackle
think I might have
just
heard them. I'm not sure.
Sounded like there might have actually been two of them.
It definitely sounds like Robinson cicadas what he has the most of.
I'm hearing tons of the Robinson cicadas right now.
Yeah, me too.
They pretty much dominate this time of day.
And another swamp cicada.
Hearing more of the swamp cicadas too, though, which is nice.
Yep, there's another one.
That was a bluebird that just flew past.
Oh, that's one my area doesn't get a lot of at all. They're very rare here.
And what just flew into the tree over there? Oh, okay, so white-breasted nuthatch.
Oh. I wonder why mine went away.
Oh, and flew off. Oh, there's a juvenile eastern bluebird.
Oh, oh yeah, I can see it
You know, we've had a lot of
flying.
the juveniles
I could see it
here
flying.
lately.
I don't know why, but my area doesn't get them a lot. I saw
there's a
one
grackle at the
earlier.
feeders.
I saw one earlier this year, but I haven't seen any since. And it was only a couple times too. I saw it. That's a grackle. Yep. Sounds like the towhee's still around. That's the bird clucks. That's not on his side. I hear a blue jay.
And there's a blue jay somewhere close by.
Yep, I heard that.
Okay, there is one swamp cicada that sounds really close. I might be able to see it. Oh,
I can definitely hear them.
and hold on. I wish this. And I'm being interrupted, and this camera doesn't have a pause button, so I'm
Oh
just
my
gonna set it down real
God.
quick and hope it doesn't run out of storage while I'm gone.
Oh, that swamp cicada is actually pretty loud. I hear a grackle, a common grackle nearby, and a blue jay. There's another swamp cicada. Oh, that one's really close by, it sounds like. I bet you it won't be there anymore when he comes back out. Wouldn't it be cool if while the camera's sitting on the ground, a ground cricket got right in front of it and started calling? That would be really cool. Oh, he's back.
I swear, I can be doing absolutely nothing, and I'll be left alone.
I know, right? Ugh.
But once I'm trying to record something, well, you know.
Everybody wants your attention, yep. And it seems like I was correct. The cicada's no longer nearby. Now that he's back. I hear a blue jay. I'm also hearing the trigs. Yeah, by this time of year they're probably sage trigs. And by the way they look too in the pictures. They look pretty close to the picture on Songs of Insects. It sounds like the robins and cicadas have kind of calmed down some. There's another swamp cicada.
It's funny, for a while there the Robinson cicadas were going constantly.
I just said the same thing.
But now they pretty much stopped, and now I'm hearing tons of the swamp cicadas.
I know. Oh, and now I'm hearing one, I think. It heard you talking about it.
I'm hearing a,
It sounds like a trig nearby.
I'm hearing a sage trig over here.
Yeah. Oh, my phone ran out of storage mid-reaction, so sorry it just kind of cut off right there. See, this is why I'm going to have to stop doing these, you guys, at least for a while. This is getting out of hand.
I'm hearing a sage trig over here.
Yeah, I'm hearing it too.
And of course it stops because I approached it.
Oh, of course. There's another swamp cicada.
Geez, that swamp cicada is close.
I'm hearing a Robinson cicada in the background too. Yeah, I bet you he's not gonna find the sage trig. I hear grackles again, I think. Oh, there's a...
Whoa, that one is really close.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe if I'm lucky I'll be able to see it.
I mean, that one did light close to... That one did light on my grandma's pole there, so you never know. What's that bird? Hang on. Oh, that's a Carolina wren, I think. Yeah, that's what it sounds like to me.
And of course it stopped. I don't even know if it's still there or not. I'm keeping my eyes open though.
Oh, now there's a siren outside at my house. It's funny, I heard one in the video and now I'm hearing one outside.
And there's another one that sounds kind of close by.
Yeah, I heard that one.
Probably not in an area where I would be able to see it though.
Yeah, probably not.
Now that was a red-shouldered hawk I just heard.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Oh, right there it is. Yeah, I heard it.
Now that was a red-shouldered hawk I just heard. Wow. They're definitely not an all-the-time thing around here.
Yeah.
Usually we get the red-tailed hawks here.
I've never heard... I think I've heard it here a couple times before, but definitely not a lot. Yeah, it sounds like he's near the Triggs again. I can hear them. And another swamp cicada.
Oh, that swamp cicada sounds really close.
Oh yeah, it is. It sounds like it's right up in one of those trees there.
Wow, I can actually hear the sage trigs from over here.
Yeah, I can too, actually. And there it is again. I think I hear a northern mockingbird very faintly. There's a swamp cicada again. And I hear a Robinson cicada faintly. Oh, I guess his camera ran out of storage. Well, I guess that's it.